Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily split transaction in QuickBooks Online. So just head over to qbo.intuit.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Bank Transactions. So from here, you should be able to see a list of all your transactions and just click on the specific transaction that you want to split. And from here, you should be able to see the split button. Just click on it. A window will then pop up where you can customize and edit multiple transactions. Just customize or edit or add in details and information. Say, for example, we're going to choose sample customer 1 and paid customer on the other line. Also select a category. You can also add lines if you want, edit memo and attachments. Also make sure that you enter the right amount for you to be able to proceed. Then once done, just head over and click on split and add. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!